In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can copy a link to your Instagram profile. This is going to work on both Instagram on iPhone and Android, and of course, it's also going to work on PC. Before we do dive in this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But begin by opening up the Instagram app and going to your profile by selecting the icon down in the bottom right corner. And from here, go ahead and tap share profile. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. What you're going to want to do is select copy link, and from here what I recommend doing is just opening up a browser and then pasting that link in there just like so. Now, just a quick tip, Instagram sometimes adds tracking codes at the end of your link, so keep that in mind. If you do see a question mark in that URL, just delete everything after it, and you should be good to go. Now, on a desktop though, just go to Instagram.com, log into your account, and from the left menu, just select on your profile, and once you're on your profile, just copy the URL from the address bar, and then you'll be able to copy it from there. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.